Good morning, students. Today's question from April 4th, 2025, shift 1 question. This is the mains question, and this question is belongs to thermodynamics. So now coming to the question, 1 mole of ideal gas expands isothermally. 1 mole of gas expands isothermally and reversible reaction also. From expands means that gas is expanding from 10 decimeter cube to 20 decimeter cube at 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin. Now, delta U, Q, work done in this process respectively they are asking. So, what they given? 1 mole means number of moles they given, that is the 1, means moles is represented by n, so n equal to 1. Next, an ideal gas expands isothermally. So this one is a isothermal reversible reaction. What is this? Isothermal reversible reaction this is. Now, volume is changed from where to where? 10 decimeter cube to 20 decimeter cube. So initial volume is 10, the gas is occupying how much volume? Initially 10 decimeter cube and final volume is 20 decimeter cube, means gas is expanding from 10 decimeter cube to 20 decimeter cube, it is expanding. And temperature how much? That is the 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin. So this is the given information. Now what they are asking? Delta U they are asking, Q they are asking, and work done also they are asking. So this is the question shortcut form. Now this is which type of that process is a isothermal reversible process. So from this isothermal, what we can write? Isothermal. Iso means same, therm means temperature. So same temperature. That same temperature means initial and final temperatures are same, means temperature is constant, that is 300 Kelvin. Already we know at in isothermal process, delta U internal energy change equal to 0. Delta U means what is that? Internal energy change is equal to 0 in the isothermal process. So one value we got, so that is the 0. Now heat, Q is represented by heat and W is represented by work done. So now we have to calculate the heat and work done in this process they are asking. So now coming to the work done formula. In isothermal reversible process, work done equal to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. So this is the formula of work done in the isothermal reversible process. Now substitute all the values. Minus 2.303, n means number of moles, they given 1 mole, so 1 into R value, that is the 8.3 joule, 8.3. Next, temperature how much? They are given the 300 Kelvin, so 300 into log V2. Final volume how much? That is the 20 by V1, initial volume 10. So this. Now here minus 2.303 into 8.3 into 300. This is 1 into 8.3, that is the 8.3 into this is the 300 into log 20 by 10. 20 by 10 means how much? This is the log 2. Log 2 value, that is the 0.3. This R value is in the joules, so totally it will be coming in the joule. Now this total value, if you are multiplied, so nearly if you are calculating, this is the 300 into 0.3, means that is 3 3s are 9 and 900 point is the 90 into 80, 8.3, that is nearly 75 nearly, and this is 72 into 2, that is nearly 1600 1700 range if you are calculating, then minus this total value will be 1718 joules. 1718 joules this is, but the given options in the kilojoules. So by 1000, 1 joule equal to 1 by 1000 kilojoules. So that's why minus 1.718 kilojoules. So this is the work done in this process. Actually this is what they given, that is the isothermal reversible reaction they given. So in the isothermal reversible reaction, work done, this is the formula, minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. So 2.303 n moles they given 1 and R is the 8.3 joules, that is the joule per Kelvin into mole, and temperature is 300 and log V2 by V1. V2 is the 20 and V1 is the 10. So total calculation if you are doing, we will get the minus 1718 joules will come, but the given options in the kilojoules. So by 1000 do it, then 1.718 kilojoules. This is the work done in this process. Now they are asking totally three values. Delta U that is the 0 in the isothermal process. W equal to how much came, that is the minus 1.718 kilojoule came. Now remaining which one we have to calculate, Q value we have to calculate. Now coming to, according to first law of thermodynamics, what is the formula, that is the delta U equal to Q plus W, delta U equal to Q plus W. This is a isothermal process. In the isothermal process, delta by U value is the 0. So substitute the 0. So 0 equal to Q plus W, then Q equal to W to on that side, then Q equal to minus of W, then Q equal to minus of W value, how much we got, minus 1.718 kilojoules. This is the W value, Q equal to minus of W, then minus into minus plus, then 1.718 kilojoules. So this is the Q value. According to first law, delta U equal to Q plus W. Delta U, this is the isothermal process, so delta U equal to 0. So 0 equal to Q plus W, then Q equal to W on that side, then Q equal to minus W. Already we calculated the work W value, that is the minus 1.718 kilojoule. So this is the Q value is the minus of W, so minus of minus, this is the plus, so then Q value is the 1 point. So total values, delta U equal to isothermal process, that is the 0. Next, W equal to how much, that is the minus 1.718 kilojoules. Next, Q equal to plus 1.718 kilojoules. So this is the answers for this question. Thank you.